This video will guide you through all the important vehicle details to check before buying a DashSkin for 2007 through 2014 Avalanche, Suburban, Silverado, Sierra, Tahoe, and Yukons. For the 07 through 14 Silverado and Sierra trucks, two different dash styles were used. This model is compatible with the single glove box style dash, which is found in the Silverado LTZ and Sierra SLT or Denali models only. All other trim packages use the dual glove box style dash, which has a second glove box with a door that opens upwards. Next, let's check the trim code to determine the factory dash color. Open the glove box and locate the service parts identification sticker. The trim code is the set of 3 digits found at the bottom right. Use this guide to determine what color your trim code means. Skipping this step very often leads to ordering the wrong color. If you can't find it, call or text DashSkin at 918-940-8900 with your VIN number to have your code looked up. Finally, you'll want to check if your vehicle has a center dash speaker. Our dash cover is offered with and without center speaker holes depending on your needs. If you have any other questions about vehicle compatibility, installation, or simply to place an order, call or text us today at 918-940-8900.